are you ready for the party? Let me get ready and catch you up.
Get your D-Tan face care kit from the Man Company for their 6th birthday bash party. Charcoal face wash removes oil and dirt from your face. Charcoal face scrub exfoliates your skin and deep cleanses the pores. Get rid of blackheads and whiteheads with charcoal peel-off mask. Wanna join the party?
Then go and shop this D-Tan face care kit at just ₹666.
And the cherry on the cake is you will get this grooming pouch complimentary.